Today, when it comes to investing your money, the individual investor has so many options available to them. And you can have much success either investing on your own or working with a financial advisor. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. But let's face it, markets are uncertain. Some financial advisors say they can make you this much money or you should be in this investment. But the future will always be nothing more than a range of possible outcomes. Anybody can tell you what did happen, but do they present you with a comprehensive and reliable picture of what could happen with your investments? One that you can confidently bank on. You know, we must take reality as it comes to us. What ought to happen or what we expect to happen sometimes doesn't matter. We don't just manage your money. We strive to arm you with the resources and education so that you can confidently handle whatever your investing life throws your way.